Wow. Must be time for MakerBox. I'm Glenn.
And I'm Zachary.
And together we are Fun King 3D. All right, everybody, so it's that time again, and we're going to cut into the MakerBox, which, by the way, it looks like my mailman sat on my MakerBox. I mean, I guess it wasn't necessarily my mailman, but somewhere between Box Mountain shipping this and it arriving, it got a little squished. All right. Let's see. I know what you want. Oh, it's hidden, it's hidden. What'd you get? You can talk, you know.
Starburst.
So, for those of you who have been tuning into our MakerBox videos for a while, Xander is normally with us, but he's old now and doesn't want to do this anymore. So it's just Zach. It's just Zach and I now, and Zach is not used to being like right-hand man. So, oh, you're gonna appreciate this. So first, let me show it. Let me show it here first. So this is the sticker that this month's box came with. Do you get it? Do you get it?
I don't know what that word means.
Extruding?
But I can tell by the
Okay, so when the plastic goes into a 3D printer, okay, and this unit right here, which is known as the extruder, pushes the plastic, it comes out of the nozzle. What else pushes it and comes out of the nozzle? Oh, that is genius. And then we got a paper here with some swear words on it. Well, they're censored out.
I know what that said.
You better not say what it says.
Word.
So anytime that you get a MakerBox, you get one of these. And what is glorious about this is actually what's on the back side. And that is actually, it talks about the loyalty and referral program, which is an awesome deal. You can actually earn points to get a free box, which is great. But also, there's a discount code on the back side of this to where you can generally save more money than what you paid for the box. So it's like paying for itself. All right, don't damage that. That's a nice sticker. It's got to go up in the collection.
A collection?
There's a collection of everything. All right, you want to read this one? Zach has a hard time with the big words. So, all right. So, what we have here, whoop, whoop, this is Polyterra Pla in orange, and that's got a hot end temperature of 180 to 230 degrees. Bed temperature of room to 60. Speed 30 to 60 millimeters per second. 7. It requires cooling. Dry filament before use for best results. So Polyterra Pla is a PLA-based 3D printing filament designed from the ground up to create the next generation of environmentally friendly filaments, providing ease of use, high printing quality, speed, and reliability. It is a new developed material from Polymaker called Fully Bio Compound, FBC, which is a compound of PLA bioplastics and a biocomposite. And again, that is our friends over at Polymaker. And this particular color, orange, but it's kind of a pale orange. If you're old enough to remember the Circus Peanuts candy, it's like that color. So, and it actually does have a little desiccant in the bag. So. I guess drying is important. You don't know Circus Peanuts. You're not old enough. Nobody in their right mind eats those today. Candy was a lot worse way back in my day. All right, so
back in your day.
Oh, shush. So this next one is by Push Plastics. Try to get that to focus in. And this is PEI 9085. Hot end temperature of 350 degrees Celsius with a bed temperature of 150 degrees Celsius. Speed 30 millimeters per second, no cooling. PC or PEI build sheet and enclosure advised. Similar to PEI 1010 with slightly lower melt temperature, making printing easier. Great thermal properties with a glass transition 185 degrees Celsius. Great chemical resistance, strength, dimensional stability, and flame retardant, which is pretty awesome. Ideal for electrical, automotive, aerospace applications. We may have to give that a little try in the old automobile stuff. And again, that is Push Plastics, made right here in the USA. And I say right here, I don't know where you are, but I'm right here in the USA. Oh, that is beautiful.
I'll read this.
You gonna try to read that? All right.
Yeah.
All right, go for it.
It's
Let me quick throw it. Can I, if I do this, can you read it off of the screen? Okay.
Wait, what am I supposed to read?
You start up here.
ABS 2.0
Plutonic.
plutonic purple.
Yeah.
It has
A haunted temperature?
haunted temperature.
Hot end temperature.
Hot end temperatures. 2,400. Wait, no, 245.
Yeah, because 2,000 degrees on your hot end, whoo, that'd be some cooking. So yeah, 245 degrees Celsius.
The bed temperature is 90 through 100 Celsius.
Celsius.
I can't speak.
That's okay. That's all right. You're learning.
Speed 65.
Millimeters per second.
Yeah. There is no cooling.
Ventilation.
The ventilation advised for any
ABS. Now, the reason for that is because ABS puts out toxic fumes. Kind of like your
That's why
farts.
it says fumes.
Kind of like your farts. Toxic fumes. So yeah, the ABS puts out toxic fumes. That's why they advise ventilation. So, all right. So then the info.
This new ABS technology is truly low. No warp without the use of modifiers or fillers. It also doesn't smoke or smell when printed.
Well, it's good that it doesn't smoke because smoking's bad for you. Yeah. And that's by Fusion Filaments, also made right here in the USA. And let me tell you, the camera is not going to do this justice color-wise, but I mean, that's plum crazy purple. That is absolutely a beautiful, beautiful purple. I happen to like purple. Maybe we should have made the Fun King purple instead of yellow.
Black and purple.
Ooh, I've been waiting to get my hands on some of this. This comes to us from our friends over at 3D Fuel. And when I say friends, I mean friends. Those guys are awesome. This is Refuel Pro PLA. It has a hot end temperature of 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, or 210 degrees Celsius. Bed temperature of none to 45. The speed's not listed. Cooling, yes. Wound up is a coffee-filled 3D printing filament made using waste bioproducts from coffee. Wound Up uses those coffee leftovers to create a special 3D printing material with visibly unique print finishes. The filament produces products with a rich brown color and a noticeable natural grain. And 3D Fuel, also made right here in the USA, South Dakoters. And I got to know, and I'm sure somebody's going to ask. It doesn't smell like coffee. It's just kind of a bummer, but it actually doesn't smell like anything. Oh, just kidding. now that I huffed all kinds of humidity into the bag. I can't. The color is almost like a. Would you say that's like chocolate? Like a chocolatey brown?
At first I thought that was black.
Yeah, and it does. It is not smooth. It definitely has a. It's got a very coarse texture to it, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I've been hoping. What are you throwing all the rest of it on the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, so. But sadly enough, that brings us to the end of yet another maker box.
Thumbs up.
All right.
Don't Boxman.
Don't be your brother.
But I was Boxman.
I want you to be you, not him. So, ladies and gentlemen, that does bring us to the end of another maker box, which is always sad. But I'm going to tell you, if you don't yet get the maker box, do yourself a favor and get one. At least get one. There's actually a link down in the description of this video to not only get yourself a box, but to save yourself a little money on your first one. Get one, try it out. Now, there are 3 different flavors of the maker box. There is the Easy box, which is all just PLAs. There is the Explorer box, which is what this one is. And then there's the Everything box that comes with everything that's in both of those boxes. And let me tell you, that thing comes just packed with filament. So, but definitely give it a try. We'd love for you to use our link down below. You'll notice it is an affiliate link, but we don't actually benefit from that affiliate link because MakerBox takes care of us on a monthly basis. And if you ever have any questions on MakerBox, please feel free to reach out to me. I would. I have a little bit of experience with MakerBox, and it's pretty awesome. So check them out. Again, links down in the description. Thanks for tuning in. We'd love for you to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications. But the most important thing is thumbs up, because that's what makes Zach happy.
This only.
Yeah, it makes Zach happy. Hey everybody, we just kind of wanted to drop this into the end of the video. So the makers of MakerBox, which is Box Mountain, also makes, they make a couple of different things. This is Cryptid Crate, which is available through Box Mountain as well. They also do, and of course I had a flyer here. Here we go. They do Pips Mountain as well, which is a dice subscription, gaming dice subscription box as well. But, so here's the backstory very quickly. This box was sent to us by Box Mountain as a demo just to try out, open it up. They didn't actually ask us to do a video. They just said, hey, would you like to try a box from Cryptid Crate? And I said, well, yeah, of course I do. And Matt over at Box Mountain was nice enough to send this to me. Full disclosure, it arrived in March of 2020. So over a year ago. So I feel completely bad that I have not opened it yet. So I'm going to open this now.
Don't speak of 2020.
Yeah, 2020 was a rough year. We're going to open this up now. Don't think that you're going to get this box, because this box is over a year old and long gone. Now, I have no idea what's in this box. I've never opened a Cryptid Crate. So here, let's go. All right, chill. Oh my God, I love these. Black Forest organic gummy bears. I love these. I buy these at a local wholesale club. Oh my God, this guy is awesome. Okay, so I take that back. Some of it is 3D printed related, because, oh, that guy's 3D printed. He's a Bigfoot. Boom, boom, boom. Look, he's got big old feet. A pair of alien abducting a Sasquatch socks. Find your feet.
Is this Sasquatch?
Yeah, Bigfoot. Sasquatch?
Oh.
You're gonna want these, aren't you? Yeah, Zach loves crazy socks. Yeah. Ooh, it's a 2XL. That's gonna be too bigs for me. That's pretty awesome. But yeah, unfortunately, that's not gonna fit me anymore. I used to be a 2X, but not anymore. Okay, so next up, there is some informations in here. There's a Cryptid Crate sticker. the shiny math rocks that go clickety clack. There is a Pips Mountain sticker, and that's pipsmountain.com. And then, oh, that is adorable.
Wow.
Oh, he's so cool. Mothman. He is cool. I dig him. He's got more hair than me, though. And then in the bottom of the box is Momo. And that is the Missouri Monster. There's something on Marswolf Hill. So we will definitely have to check that out. And then that brings us to the end of the cryptid crate. So if this kind of stuff interests you, you can actually head over to Box Mountain or Cryptid Crate. I believe it's cryptidcrate.com, and set yourself up with one of these. And then, of course, from Box Mountain or makerbox.com, you can get the MakerBox. So
isn't that about Box Mountain?
That is a mountain of MakerBoxes, yeah. So now we return to your regularly scheduled outro. And we'd love for you to leave a comment down below. Let Zach know how he did on his first solo MakerBox. Well, I guess it's not a solo MakerBox, but his first MakerBox where he's in the right-hand seat and actually got to talk.
But I was born right-handed.
Whatever. Thank you, guys. Till next time, as always, print on.